Welcome guys to a new tutorial of VectorAcademy. Today I'm going to show you how to create a table in your database we made last time. So what we are going to do is first make a new database so we can put our new tables in it. So create database tutorials and I'm gonna enter it. Now we're going to use that database tutorials and we are going to make a new table. Now for this example I'm going to use tutorials as a table that stores all my tutorials that are made with a primary key in it. A primary key is your key where it's a unique field across every entity in your column. So, and we're gonna give it a name, a date when it's made, and a little description. So what we are going to do is now create table, and you're going to name it let's say tutorial dot, and we're gonna give it an ID that's not null. Not null means it can't be empty. Otherwise, when it's empty, it will give an error. So not null, and it's going to be auto increment. Auto increment means it will fill itself with your last index. So let's say you have already 20 tutorials, 20 IDs. The next one will be 21, and so on and so on, 22, 23, and so on. So auto increment. Then we're going to give it also a name, so name VARCHAR. VARCHAR is a field where you can put everything in, value, it doesn't matter what's in it, it will stay in. So we're going to give it a character of 50, so it can be longer than that. It's like, I think, 2 to the power of 50, I'm not sure. I'm going to post in the description what it's really meaning. And then date as date. And we're gonna close it, and oh, I forgot. I forgot to make the primary key. So what we're going to do now is a comma, then primary, and key. Then we're gonna say what's our primary key, and it's ID. So close, and you have an error on your SQL. That's after looking a little bit at my code, I saw what's wrong. So apparently I forgot to give what type of ID it is. So it's an integer, and now it will debug correctly. So now it says okay, we should test it out. So how can we do this? By pressing describe and then the table you want to see, so tut, and don't forget your semicolons. Now you see your columns, their type, their if they are a key or not, or other information. So yeah, it worked. Thanks for watching. Sorry for that mistake, but maybe you can learn from my mistakes. See you